What's up, YouTube? About to drop this trans. Coming with the jack. Let's see what we got to do first. We're gonna take this out. We're gonna pull that first.
At the bottom?
Yeah, down at the bottom. Let me wrap some tape. Hold up. Come here. Let me wrap some tape around there. See what my tape is. Okay, guys. Finally at school. Dropping the trans. They're gonna rebuild it. Probably in another 2 weeks. We'll be dropping the trans and just getting it out the way. I already took the drive shaft out. Twelve bolt rear end posi. New flow masters. Make sure ain't nothing loose with this thing. Oh, okay. Drop this 4L80.
Either that or it's not neon. No. It was my first annual car, so.
Alright, I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I drop it.
What are you gonna do?
Put it all together. Alright. Got them helping me bust it down.
One more?
Yeah, we can get that loose now. So once we get that done. Alright. Okay. Just slide it back some. Yep. That's all you gotta do and leave it right there. Yep. So we can get the trans out. Yep. Alright. Now. Oh, I think we can leave that on there, huh?
Not? Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, all right, let's get this line off of here and drain that fluid. I think we should drain the transmission fluid now. So let's just get this off of here, this shift cable thing over here. Let's get that off and then we'll drain the fluid. That way it won't make a whole lot of mess, you know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all, we're gonna drain the fluid and we'll get back with y'all. Okay, guys, we draining the fluid. Fluid still looks good. Don't look burnt at all.
So did you end up fixing it? What? The gauges? Oh, didn't work? Oh, no. No? They pick it up and they're like, well,
I don't think nothing wrong with the trans, but I'm still gonna check for myself, even though I paid somebody to rebuild it. But since I'm getting a grade for it, why not learn how a 4L80 looks inside? Then I can build yours one day. Yes, that's it. But see, I got the torque converter on backwards. That's why I just say, you know what?
Flex plate.
Yeah, flex plate. That's what I meant to say. So I gotta turn that around.
Yeah, you do. Yep. And there's no dowels being used. Interesting.
Oh, oh, yeah. That's a 4L80 flex. I mean, 60 flex plate.
Yeah, you're definitely gonna want to reposition that for sure.
Yeah.
Is it giving you any starter issues? You don't have any?
I didn't try to start it at all.
Okay.
Because I wouldn't want to do that.
Looking at that, now your pump is probably sticking out. Your pump is slid out of the trans farther because you're recessed, and this is supposed to actually be standing out this side, which you place your pump farther back.
Yeah.
Well,
so
not your pump, but your
torque converter. That's why I never tried to start it.
Into the pump deeper.
Yeah. So I just left it alone until it was time to bring it here.
Now this is back to the 6.0, or this is the 5.3?
That's the 6.0.
Okay.
Yeah. It got a cam in it, Texas speed cam, and the springs that I put on it.
So you're able to just buy adapter motor mounts for it?
Yeah, ICT. Yep, ICT billet.
Oh, that's cool.
So I know how to customize. And then I did this during suspension class. Put those on there, two A-arms, and
I did one of these years ago. I had a 72 Nova, and I dropped the 350 olds in it. And back then, you couldn't buy these custom mounts. I had to weld them up. That was a whole different ballgame.
I rewired from chassis to chassis harness. Put new, you know, this.
Conversion harness.
Yeah.
So you can adapt to the electronic shift.
Okay, guys. You got the trans out. Y'all put it up. Y'all put it on a bench?
No, it's on
We just have it on
jack.
Okay. I guess it won't fall. I think we might have to put it on a bench, though.
Are we going to put the panel?
Yeah, just put it on the bench. That way it definitely won't fall. I'm gonna change this.
Like click?
Yeah, I'm gonna turn that around.
What? This is flex plate?
Yeah.
Just got that shit out by today.
It don't take long to do that, man. When you got the right tools.
Yeah. So I had to use an impact, small wrenches.
All right, we'll let this shit drain, and then we'll take it outside probably tomorrow.
Yeah.